In this video today, we're going to look at how to use the GitHub Stack CLI and the GitHub Stack skill combined with your favorite coding agent to be able to create stacks that are easy to review. GitHub Stacks make it easier for you and anyone on your team to review PRs, not only created by a human, but also by coding agents. Today, we are going to take a look at an example of building out a trend tracker. Right now in AI, there's so many words that are flying around, and sometimes I want to keep track of which words are trending the most. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you have the GitHub extension for the GitHub Stack installed. You can see I already have that installed, but that's the command to run. After that, you want to make sure you have the skill installed as well. So you're going to go here and you can select the GitHub Stack skill. It should ask you which coding agent you want to use. I'm going to use the GitHub Copilot coding agent, and I'm going to install it globally so that it works. So you can see I already have it installed, but I'm going to install it further as well. So once you have that, this means that you have the skill now available in your coding agent. So I'm just going to run the command to get GitHub Copilot CLI started. And when I run that, Copilot is going to open up, and we can go ahead and make sure that the skill was successfully installed by just typing out skills and searching for the skill. We can already see that it's listed here on top. I have too many skills installed personally here. Because I want to interactively show you what I'm doing in the process of using stacks, I'm also going to go ahead and show you that you can use the stacks skill in the Copilot app. I want to make sure that the app recognizes that the skill is installed. So I'll say, do you have the GitHub Stack skill installed? And it should recognize that the skill is installed. Once it has that, yes, it says the skill is installed, and it's going to just give Copilot app the instructions that it needs to be able to effectively use the Stack CLI as well, to be able to call commands and create stacks on my behalf. So here you can see I have this trend tracker. I also have the trend tracker open on GitHub. A couple of things that I want to call out here is that we have a workflow that we've created, and this workflow is going to run at CI time. So whenever a pull request is submitted, we'll see this in stacks. It will run CI for us. And so we're going to go ahead and go back to our GitHub Copilot app. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in a very long prompt. And basically this prompt is going to tell Copilot to open up 3 different PRs, and I'm going to be able to review those PRs individually, and they're all going to be created as a stack. And Copilot should be able to, I've explicitly asked it to use the skill to create this stack of PRs, and basically each stack is going to add a different layer to my app. So one thing to note is that usually I would have a difficult time asking for a coding agent to create a PR this big or to create features this big in a single PR, because that would be quite difficult for me to review. But with stacks, I'm able to do that. And I'm also able to make sure that all of the changes in the second PR are rebased automatically on the first PR, and so on. The third one will be rebased based off of the second PR, and so on. Firstly, a PR to get data from the internet using a Python library. The second thing is I wanted to add some charts to be able to clearly see the skill. And then the third thing is that I wanted to kind of have multiple trends to preview against each other. So I can go ahead and take a look at these the PRs that were created as stacked PRs. You can see here I'm on the repository. I can click on my pull request and I can look at the first PR that was opened by GitHub, and this one it says fetch data via PyTrends, and this is what is going to kick off the skill, and we can see here the full stack that we have with the different parts or the different other PRs that the agent has worked on. I really like this because I can go ahead and I can focus on this PR. I can look to see, CI is going to run on every single PR in that stack, and this is CI based off of main, and we can see that all of the tests are passing. I can also go ahead and I can go to the second PR in the stack. And this one is the one to add visual interest over time, so we can see based off of charts what the different trends are looking like over time. And here, when we click here, we can see the first two in the stack ready to merge because we're on this second one. So we can literally go ahead and click this command. We can also choose a method for which how to merge these PRs as well, and we can go ahead and we can review. And the nice thing is that all of the changes in this PR are going to be based off of our initial PR in that stack. And then when we move up the stack to the third PR, we can definitely see as well the same things. We have some comments from GitHub Copilot, and we see that the full stack is here ready to merge. We can merge the full stack. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. I'm going to confirm to be able to merge the stack. The stack is going to go ahead and be merged, and then we should be able to successfully have all of our changes available for us to use. So you can see that the full stack has been merged. If we go and take a look at the other PRs, they've already been closed because it's been merged as well. So this is a short example of how to use the brand new GitHub Copilot Stacks feature. If you haven't given it a shot, give it a try today.